ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तुमुलोऽभवत्. Thereafter, conches, kettle drums, bugles, trumpets, and horns suddenly blared forth, and their combined sound was overwhelming. On hearing Bhishma's call for battle, everyone in the Kaurava army also started playing various instruments eagerly, creating tumultuous sound. Shankh means conches, Panav are drums, Anak kettle drums, Breya bugles, and Gomukh are blowing horns. All these instruments playing together created a loud pandemonium. This verse vividly captures the thunderous atmosphere on the battlefield. After Bhishma's powerful conch blast, a wave of war drums and instruments erupts from the Kaurava side, signaling readiness for the battle. The sound was deafening and overwhelming, symbolizing the intensity of the moment. The noise reflects the outer chaos soon to unfold in war, but it also mirrors the inner unrest of the warriors, especially those like Arjun, who will soon question the very purpose of the battle. It sets the stage for the spiritual dialogue that is about to begin. While the verse describes a mighty external commotion, it reminds us that true clarity arises not in noise but in silence. Amid the roar of the world and conflict, the soul seeks quiet truth, and the Bhagavad Gita soon shifts from outer battle to inner realization.